So we start out today's video with someone who is getting a cut refresh. So it looks like she has a grown out pixie. Stylist does a beautiful job of just kind of trimming the hair, shaping her up, adding in some color. Wow, what a beautiful asymmetrical pixie style. The color looks absolutely beautiful. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hairstyle ideas, hair transformations. Here we see this beautiful shoulder length bob style. She does have the curtain bangs to frame out the face with this, and the hair is flipped under, really playing into that hot tassel trend that we're seeing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have this stylist. It looks like he's going to be cutting her hair as well. She has hair just above the shoulders. So it looks like he is cutting the hair into more like a pixie shape. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to be getting maybe like a pixie bob hairstyle. So it looks like he did do a traditional bob. I love the blonde color. And then he's going in and adding some curls to create a nice tousled effect. Very nicely done. And then we see someone rocking out a pixie haircut. Let's see what she ends up doing with her hair next. Oh, wow. So she went shorter with more of like a pixie style. Gorgeous blue and green coloring. Such a fun, edgy haircut. So next up we have someone styling their bob. She has some beautiful bangs going here in the front. Looks like she's gonna do a zigzag part. Oh, what a creative way to curl your bangs. Very nice. It added a lot of texture, her little technique. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.